Are you a lighting designer who is more inclined into graphics than technical numbers? Are you confused and bored using lighting design softwares like Relax, AGI32, and Dialux Evo, but want to create an amazing lighting design presentations? Or maybe you are now an expert in these lighting design softwares, but want to learn more about the quickest and easiest way to do a lighting design presentation by just editing the pictures. Then, why not join us in this online course, The Basic Photoshop for Lighting Designers? In this software, I will teach you the tips and tricks on how to create a 2-minute facade lighting design, how to create a glowing linear light, how to do a simple cove light, and how to just brush up the uplight in your facade. We will have hands-on tutorials for facade, landscape, and indoor lighting design using the Photoshop software. I will also teach you how to select the right luminaire without running a lighting design calculations and use it in your specifications. Learn this amazing tips and magic in Photoshop. So join us now and expand your expertise in lighting design. See you in this online classroom.